Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to open a game on your second monitor using Steam. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and can see your main dashboard, direct your attention to the top menu bar. You'll see several options there and you'll want to click on Library. This is where all your installed games are stored and ready to be launched. After clicking Library, you'll notice a left panel that displays all your games. From this list, locate and click on Dota 2 or whichever game you prefer to play on your second monitor. Once you've selected your game, go ahead and launch it by clicking the play button. This will start the game and bring you into its interface. Now, once the game has fully loaded and you're in the main menu, look at the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon there which represents the game's settings. Click on this gear icon to access the configuration options where you can adjust various game parameters. In the settings menu, you'll see a left panel with different categories. Click on video to access the display and graphics settings. This section is crucial because it controls how and where your game appears on your screen, including which monitor it uses. Within the video settings, look for an option called Display Mode. Below this label, you'll find a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down menu and select Windowed from the available options. Switching to windowed mode is essential because it allows you to move the game window freely between monitors, unlike full screen mode, which locks the game to a single display. After selecting windowed, you'll need to save these changes. Click Apply to confirm your new display settings. The game might briefly adjust or flicker as it switches from full screen to windowed mode, so give it a moment to complete this transition. Now comes the final step. With your game in windowed mode, simply click and hold on the game window's title bar and drag it over to your second monitor. You can position it anywhere on that screen, and if you want, you can even maximize the window to fill the entire second monitor while keeping it in windowed mode. And that's it. You've successfully configured your Steam game to run on your second monitor, giving you the flexibility to multitask or simply enjoy gaming on your preferred display. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.